How to move object from one photo to another photo on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the latest Samsung S25 series. So first of all, we remove my S Pen. Now open the gallery application on your Samsung device. Select the photo you want to move object from one photo to another. So here we select my Galaxy S25 Ultra box. Now long press the object you want to move like this. Now you can see the option copy or save as a sticker. Tap on a copy. Now copy to clipboard. Now open the another photo you want to paste on your device. So here we select, but now long press on the blank space. You can see the paste option and tap on it, and you can see add the object. You can also create this copy. Tap on this button to copy it. Now you can see multiple object. Also you can move like this. If you want to delete, tap on a delete it. So it's quite easy to copy object from one image and move it to another image using this new Galaxy AI feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.